Dave's already hard at it.
Slaving away in the kitchen.
We have company coming. We're still camping with Maureen and Bob. We moved on to another campground. We're at Highland Hammock State Park, and they happen to be rolling in today in the spot. Like, we're moving over one spot and they're moving in this spot. Totally unplanned. So we're gonna take advantage of that. We're having an appetizer day. So not cooking a big meal, but we're cooking a bunch of small things. And so we're working on sausage stuffed mushrooms. I didn't say this was gonna be healthy. Just said it was gonna be appetizers. So Dave just cooking some Italian sausage. We're gonna let that cool and mix it with cream cheese, throw it inside some mushrooms. We have an oven, they've got an oven. We're gonna have dueling ovens going on. We're making a prosciutto, arugula, truffle, mozzarella pizza. And I'm gonna make a salad with cucumber, tomato, feta, some onion, and maybe some balsamic. That actually sounds nice, cool, and refreshing. I don't know what else is going on. We got a lot going on. Bob is the pizza expert.
Oh,
look at this. Look, we have dueling ovens. Okay, Bob's the pizza guy. What is happening with this pizza?
First, we have the dough. It's risen for 2 hours. A little bit of olive oil on the top and some Italian seasoning. Next is grated 4 Italian cheese mix from your local supermarket.
So cheese first.
And the cheese goes on first because it acts as a protective layer to prevent the pizza from getting soggy from the other ingredients.
That's where we go wrong.
I like this idea.
I think that's where we go wrong.
There's a lot of ways we go wrong. This is one of them. Also, I think we skimp on the cheese. Now,
Yeah,
the
a lot
key
of
is
cheese.
don't skimp.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I can already tell we never use enough cheese. Because
Well, that's for this kind of pizza because again, you want the dough to be really, you really want the dough to rise and become very bready. So after you have this kind of layer of cheese as insulation, next we put on the prosciutto.
Okay, prosciutto. Dave requested prosciutto, arugula, truffle oil pizza. So this is what's
So I tried to
happening.
find the leanest prosciutto I could find.
Yeah, you're gonna make me cry.
That's sacrilegious to the prosciutto gods, right?
That's right. We want nice fatty prosciutto. That's the best for an Italian, anyhow.
We have more prosciutto also if you want more.
Now this is plenty. And you don't want it
not-
too
doesn't
thin
want
because
it
you don't
not
want.
just
Well,
like
you don't want it to be too thin because then it will burn.
Okay,
So I like it.
I'm
kinda,
learning all kinds of things now.
You kind of want to keep it thick like this. And I think that actually looks fairly well split up.
Oh my gosh.
And then we're going to need this mozzarella.
Oh geez.
Oh, wow.
I'm like
No, no.
always slicing it.
No.
We've
You'll see.
never-
You see what happens next though is after that, the best way to do this is then you.
Oh, you're breaking it. There's some, oh, let me inspect that.
What?
Okay. What do you think? I think
Yeah.
I'm learning a lot
I think that
here.
looks good.
Looks really good.
All right, so then that's that, and then another layer of insulation on top of this.
Get out of
You
here.
know,
Wow, I am
just-
impressed with the cheese usage.
And if you want, we can throw on.
Yeah, the
this.
Parmesan is what I wanted.
I think that's it.
These Italians know what they're doing with the pizza.
And actually, the oven's at a good temperature. So
Okay.
throw it in.
Now it goes. Let's see what's happening under there. We have stuffed mushrooms, everybody. So cream cheese, sausage, and then a sprinkle of parm on top. Ooh.
Oh, that's looking
Oh my goodness, you guys.
Oh wow. Oh, look at it first.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
This is a masterpiece, Bob.
Thumbs
Kudos
up.
to the chef. Oh. Arugula cheese, prosciutto, truffle. Look at that. You've never been like a thick crust guy.
No,
but you
I'm
love this.
I'm a thin crust guy, but
It's because the crust hasn't been good.
I like bread. I think that a lot of times they're thick, but they're just doughy. This is not doughy. This is like
Yeah, look at
good
that.
good bread that. Oh man.
Yeah, is that where it's at? Can you pull those mushrooms out? Go.
Ooh, yum.
Mushrooms, pizza. We have fruit
Here.
salad over here. That looks delicious. And we have a whoop, cucumber, tomato, feta, dill, parsley, lemon salad.
It smells delicious.
Cheers.
Cheers.